Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors, and we've got one of the coolest planes that I've seen in a long time, under $100, to show you. This is called the A700C. We'll have it linked in the description box below. They call it the Sky Dancer. And let's get a closer shot and I'll show you why this is the coolest plane I've seen in a long time. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that this is going to be the WLtoys 12428 of the plane world.
So that's a truck.
Yeah, that's a truck.
And he's comparing it to this plane. Like, it's going to be a must-have or a must-want wish list item.
Every single person coming to RCS Fest this year, which, by the way, if you don't know about it, is on Father's Day weekend of 2018.
And we'll have everything linked in the description box below. It's at Full Scale Airport.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. So please check it out. Please come to it. Everybody that's there should have one of these. This is amazing. Now, it's ready to fly. Comes with its own pretty nice little transmitter, but you can actually bind this up to a Futaba. So if you fly Futaba, this will bind up to your Futaba transmitter.
That's what the internet says.
That's what the internet says. Comes with instructions. Comes with a rechargeable 2-cell LiPo battery. It's only a 300 milliamps, so it's kind of small. I'd say you could probably up that a little. And here's your connection on there. And unfortunately, the only thing that you'll need with this, because it does come with a charger, is a European to US converter. You guys notice that it's kind of late in the evening today? We're almost at sunset. It's actually pretty much past sunset now. We did that on purpose because this plane has some of the coolest lights that I've ever seen on a plane, ready to fly. Look at the lights up top. Okay, the lights actually are on top of the plane.
Let me darken this up for you so you can see it better.
They're on the rudder. And look at the bottom. Isn't that amazing?
And they're bright too.
They are bright.
Go back to the settings that I had it on, which is about right here. That's how bright they are.
Camera never does lights justice. So just keep that in mind. We're gonna fly this. Hopefully we can fly it into some night time too, but I wanted you guys to be able to see the lights on our camera. So again, this is ready to fly. It's 3-channel. It's like 90
right now
bucks.
It's right under $90.
And I guarantee these things are gonna sell out because this, everybody always
I've never
wants...
seen something like this for that
This
good of a deal.
Amazing. Lights up top on the rudder. Amazing lights. I love that. So let's fly this. That looks awesome. It looks awesome. I gotta trim it up a little bit.
Come over here, Nathan, so they can hear you.
Yeah. Look, we're back.
Get out from over us.
I'm going. I just look at the lights.
They can't when you... That looks so good though.
Okay, I don't need much throttle at all.
No.
This is really made to glide, that's for sure. Just a tiny bit of throttle. The lights look amazing on this. You got a shot of it?
Yeah.
Cool. Trying to find where it wants to fly. Okay, I'll come down some. I was just trying to get it trimmed up, and
I guess you're just showing off the lights, huh?
yeah. If I fly lower, you can't see the lights as well. This is amazing. Look at that. Can see it far away. Orientation is awesome. Amazing. It looks so good. I love this thing. I'm currently at about 45% throttle, and I do need to trim down some. I'm having to push down a lot, so. Oh, you're gonna like flying this, Abby.
I'm excited to fly it.
Let me just get it nice and smooth. See, it was porpoising a lot. I had to give it some down trim.
Right.
And now it's really flying a lot better.
We knew, right, when we opened this out of the box and saw the lights and everything. He's hands-free. We knew that this was going to be a good one.
I'm literally,
and it proves it.
I'm flying this with just one hand right now. I'm not even touching the throttle. Abby, I'm just going to pass the controls to you. This is so cool. It looks so good. Okay,
so
here.
If you keep flying over our heads.
Here, you got it. Abby's at the controls. Oh, okay, you got the lights. You got it dark here. I see. So you can see the lights. Let's see here. brighten it up a hair for everybody. We can still see the lights.
Okay.
So you don't need to adjust too much. I had it like with throttle and stuff, pretty perfect.
So can this do like rolls and stuff?
Well, we can try like a loop maybe. Yeah, maybe when
probably
you go,
not a roll because isn't the wing? Sorry, isn't the wing kind of a dihedral?
A little bit, yeah. Probably can't roll. This is 3 channels, guys. Look, here we go, looping it up. You did it.
Oh, we gotta do a better one.
Abby's doing good. She's pulling off the stunts.
Earlier today I hit a pole. So.
I love that there are a little bit of lights on top too, so you don't completely lose it. So cool. I don't have any night planes really. Like this is it. This is my first good night plane.
No,
oh, it could fly. It could fly inverted probably.
You think?
I'd say so, a little bit. Why would you want to though? Then you couldn't see those awesome lights.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
There we go. I had to get some good down. That was a good one. That was a good one.
You're doing good. You are doing great. That just looks so good.
I like this. I'm going to step out here so everybody believes that I'm flying.
Okay, go ahead. I'll get a quick shot of you, but I like following this plane. Okay, Abby's flying. Bring it up a little bit. There we go. Abby's at the controls. Airplane. Yeah. Yeah, good airplane. Now, I mean, it's not an extra 300, you know, you're not gonna win any stunt competitions with this, but just as a nice, easy to fly, calm night flyer, because let's face it, most evenings it's always calm, so there's very little wind in the evenings. This is just perfect for night flying in early, like late evenings like this. It's awesome. I want to fly it again, Abby. I really enjoyed flying that. See if you can catch it. Also, keep in mind, this is really good for beginners too because it's 3 channels, it's simple, and it has a rear pusher prop, rear mounted motor. So you're protecting the motor. I don't encourage you guys to try and catch it, but honestly, it'd be really hard to get hurt on this. Kill the throttle, glide in. Ah, she was close. It just looks so good. This is a really good little plane. It reminds me a lot of the Andromeda Voyager 2. There we go. Yeah, those lights just look so good. I'll be buying another one of these so we can fly them together. Maybe a third one for a backup in case we would break one, and definitely more batteries. Oh, not bad, not bad. It's cold today too. Those lights look so good. They look really good. Let me see if I get it. If I darken the camera up, they look a little better. Cameras just don't do the lights justice. I look at my screen and then I look up and it's like 20 times brighter when I look up.
All right, your turn.
The transmitter is small enough. The transmitter is small enough. What you can do is give it throttle, and then I reach over with my thumb and I just control it with the stick with my left hand because I'm right-handed, so I like to throw with my right hand. But what I was going to say is the wing, the main wing, is just held on with pressure. But maybe you'd want to like put a little masking tape on there or something. The wings come apart. It's actually a 2-piece wing, so it breaks down into a very small, travel-friendly size. Yeah, I'll go back over there.
It's brighter on that side.
Yeah.
For my camera setting.
And the lights actually just unplug. Each wing has a little just plug with everything. Everything's already pre-installed. All you have to do when you get this is slap that wing on and charge your battery.
What I liked about it when I was flying is on the rudder, you have the red side and the green side right on the rudder, and when you turn, it almost looked like the lights changed, but you know, you just turn. Yeah. But it kind of looked like a flicker, like almost a little bit of Disney magic right there.
This is awesome. It flies really well. I'm already happy with the flight time. This is nice.
Yeah, we're already up to like 7 minutes.
Cool.
That's really good.
Yeah. More batteries, going to buy a second one for sure.
Wasn't it a pretty common battery or no?
2-cell.
We keep getting really close with this plane.
Sorry.
I'm not used to it.
Yeah. So even when I'm flying low, I can still see orientation, which is really awesome, because a lot of times when people do lights on planes, they're only on the bottom. But because this is a glider, we can actually take this up pretty high and cut the power and just glide down and enjoy those lights for a long time. I haven't even done that. I haven't even tested its glide. So let's fly up a little more. I'm just going to keep climbing some.
You haven't even done a loop yet.
No, but I want to test its glide here. So about right here, I'm going to kill the throttle. No more throttle.
You can hear the grasshoppers.
Crickets.
Crickets, whatever.
There's no throttle. Shh. There's 0 throttle. We're a stealth plane. It's gliding so well right now.
Stealth plane, isn't that like a Star Wars thing?
No. What are you talking about?
I don't know. I don't know my Star Wars.
So this is total glide this whole time.
So peaceful, huh?
Yeah. Okay, I was hoping I could come in, but I don't think so. I'm gonna have to juice it.
So what makes this plane really easy to fly is the wing is kind of on a dihedral, right, Nathan?
Yeah, that's right. It has a little bit of a curve to it, so it kind of auto levels a little bit. Here, I'll show an example of that. Let me, oh, that's my battery. Okay.
And another good thing about this plane is the prop is in the back, so the prop is not right on the nose. So you saw my attempt to catch it, and I didn't catch it, and the nose actually went right into the ground. So if the prop is right on the nose, the prop would have broken. But because it's on the back side of the plane, it was saved.
Ready to fly plane for about $90. I think we got ours for 87 or so. So if it was under $100, I say this is worth every penny. The lights look amazing. Without the lights, this would probably be, you know, $75 or so plane. And it flies really well. It's extremely beginner friendly, but because it has those lights on there, I think this would appeal to just anybody that likes RC planes or wants to like RC planes, because now you have something that you can fly at night too.
And just so you know, guys, right now the coloring and the brightness and stuff I have set on my camera is about even with your natural eye. So how these lights look right here, I think the lights look brighter than what the camera is showing.
Right, they are.
Just more color to them.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to get the light just how you all would see them. So
my battery's getting really weak, so I'm going to unplug it because those center lights are very weak right now.
The lights look about like that right now.
I didn't want to hurt my battery life any, so I just went ahead and unplugged that so it wouldn't drain it any lower. But just know that when you're flying, if the power cuts out, you still have the ability to steer the plane down, which is nice. And every now and then you can give it a little juice and it'll give you a little kick of power just to bring it in. So it doesn't completely go dead when you lose that power, and you still have the lights too. They don't go off when you lose your battery life.
So this is technically considered a 3-channel plane, right?
Yeah, 3 channels. You have your motor, throttle, it's variable obviously, and you have elevator and rudder control. No ailerons. You could add ailerons. They're already notched in here,
you could.
but you'd have to do some modifications. You'd have to get a bigger receiver in there. So this is a really nice setup. All the wires are already ran. You can unplug everything and take it apart, and it packs away easily.
I was talking about the motor on the back. The prop also folds.
Yes, it does.
So that helps save the prop in your motor even more because the prop folds.
And when you're gliding, it folds back, and so you have better glide.
And that's really cool if you pass by really quick and you can see how it's folded like that.
This is amazing. Neat. You guys, if you like planes, you need one of these. If you think you might like planes, you need one of these. If you're coming to RCS Fest, you definitely need one of these. This is awesome. We'll have it linked in the description box below.
And we'd love to have you guys come out to RCS Fest. All that information will be linked down in the description box below.
Right.
It's Father's Day weekend in Vinton County, Ohio at a full-scale airport. All RCs welcome.
I want to see 20, 30 of these in the air every night.
That would be pretty cool.
Yeah. Guys, we'll see you there and in the next video.